Introducing the Hitch Rack from BajaRack, our new rugged cargo solution. The Hitch Rack solves the need to carry bulky and heavy items. Our high-quality rack is foldable and it's made of 16-gauge tubing with mesh flooring one-piece construction that can safely carry up to 500 pounds. The ability to add multiple accessories sets us apart from the competition. It's a modular cargo system for the outdoor active traveler, no matter if you're traveling on or off-road. The hitch assembly is simple. We added a bolt, creating an anti-rattle system instead of just a pin, avoiding unnecessary side-to-side movement, securing the rack in place. At BajaRack, each rack is hand-welded by craftsmen that take pride in each piece, combining these techniques with the latest CNC cutting equipment. Each BajaRack product is sandblasted, gray primed, and finally black textured powder coating, adding a durable finish so that the end result is a solid product that will last for many adventures to come. The Hitch Rack from BajaRack.